Hi, I'm Chuck Dorsett for Weaver Leathercraft, and I bet you're thinking, I haven't seen Chuck do any project videos lately. Well, that's exactly right. I have been working hard on a set of new project videos. Coolest part here, we're going to do these a little bit differently, and I think you're going to like the change. But also, too, each video is not just one project. We're going to do two. I'm going to do a simple project and then one a little bit more complex. Now, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, sign up now, because that way you'll be the first one to see our new videos. But also, if that's not enough, the leather element, one of my favorite videos, and I hope it's one of yours too. We're going to answer some questions, have a great time, so keep watching. And in fact, between here and there, here's a peek at what we've got coming out. Hi, I'm Chuck Dorsett for Weaver Leathercraft, and we are going to make two gorgeous leather journals. Now, right off the bat, two big points to this video. First off, leatherwork is just elements, and they are all easy to learn. And a little fine tuning. There we go. Very nice. No discernible pattern. That's what we're looking for. All right, we're set and ready to go now. I've drawn in some lines here. We've got two straps in our main body. This looks complicated, but it's not, because all of these measurements, they're going to fall into place. You're going to see exactly what I'm talking about. Very nice. That's kind of the end of the quill. Well, that looks great. All right, so now our swivel work is done. We're going to jump over to a smooth bevel. Sky is the limit. Take that ball and run with it. But at the same time, we started with a quality belt blank. We used quality tools and quality hardware. At Weaver Leathercraft, that's exactly what we're about. I hope every belt you make is gorgeous. Good luck with your projects.